Hello guys, welcome back. So now we are in Dunning, right? So we have done the configuration part and I think we have performed the testing as well. Let me check it. So we are in server number 1 or 2? Anyone guys? Okay guys, so now first of all FB, MP. So this is our Dunning procedure which we have defined, right? Now let me check it here. LB L5N. So here we can say see the customer open item reports. I think 247. Yes. So now, okay guys, so now then go to sorry F150, F150, right? So here I think last time I have already run a Dunning program, right? Oh, this is fine. Okay. One Dunning. So you can check here sample printout. Okay, and I think we were getting dump or what? Execute. No, now it is working fine. So guys, last time what is happening guys? Last time we were getting dump. So that dump was related to what? That dump was related to the calendar which is defined, right? So again, like my technical team, they came back and they said like here public holiday calendar, it was I think 01 we assigned. So because of that 01, I think this dump was appearing. Okay, they tried to specify certain logic in the sense like they simply said that because of this calendar only. Okay, because of calendar only. They explained certain inconsistencies in the, like date which is specified in the calendar and the date which we are using here, right? So what I did, either you can remove this public holiday calendar or else I'm going to use a different calendar which is defined by someone. Okay. So anyway, this calendar, we are not going to define the calendar. It will be, we are going to get it from HR people, right? Now here. So now what is happening? Come back. So once again, F150, this time it is working fine, right? You can click on sample printout. And look at here, only one line item is getting selected, right? So this is called sample printout means now look at here, this is a printout preview, okay? A sample which is already given by SAP, right? So in the same way, what is happening guys for the companies also? The form is going to be developed by your technical consultant and how the form how the form should look like. So for that, they are already client will specify. They are going to give certain existing letterhead, right? And then they will specify the requirements. Even in that, if any modifications are also required, guys, they will specify that what modifications they want, and some like twice, thrice, four times, five times, six times, right? Will perform the testing, because technical consultant always they will make the changes, and they will perform the testing. They'll inform us to perform the testing and all, right? So we have to perform the testing and all. Once it is working fine, then we are going to inform to the client. They will check it, right? Still, if any change is required, they will come back. Likewise. So now here, so these are the, like, let's suppose few words are there that is hard coded, right? This format will be like, let's suppose, hard coded. It could be now, but these are variable details: document number, date, currency, amount, right? Due date, areas, and this one means what, guys? This is the label. Okay, dunning reminder number one. If second is going to be generated, then second, third, like that it is going to, right? So 5,000 is your actual amount, and dunning charges 50 rupees is there, so that is why 5,050 rupees is the overall, right? Out of which the actual amount is 5,000 only. So now here, so what is happening, guys? And even at bottom also, if bottom also, like addresses and other things are going to be specified here. Now, so what I said, okay, here also, like this is sample printout on which date. So this is also variable, right? Then phone number, fax number for every customer. Different phone number, fax number can be. Or else, if your Tata Motor address is going to be printed, then this one also can be hard coded, guys. But in hard coding, certain challenges will be there that you guys will be, you'll come to know later. I'll share a real time requirement there. You guys will be having. So now here, so whatever fixed details are there, that is going to be hard coded, and variable in the sense like customer wise different. If an amount will be there, different. What to say? This arrear in the sense like the gap between like current date and the due date, right? So these things are variable details. Now here, what I'll do. So it is on 30th, right? Today is first. So only one. Why? Because on 30th only one invoice was eligible. Right now, delete it and make it 01. So here, let's suppose TM33 customer number, again customer number, just save it, schedule, press enter. So still now here, so one dunning notice, anyway single customer is there, guys. So only one letter is going to be generated, right? If you have a look, right? So still there is only one item, guys. Why only one item, guys? Look at here. Why only one item? Anyone? So it's pretty simple here. I already told you in the previous session also, right? So here what is happening? Dunning days duration is 10. Arctic is saying. Okay. Mhm. No, the thing is like out of these three, all are overdue, right? All are overdue. But there is a selection of only 5,000. Why not 4,000? Why not 2,000? That is my question.
Sir, because of grace period.
How many grace period we have given? 5 days, right? 5 days only. So one more line item supposed to be included, right? So no, then generally it is correct, right? Because 5 days means what is happening, guys? 5 days means till today, right? The moment we are going to, once it becomes sixth day, then like second, so this one is also going to be eligible. I think. Let me check it. If we run on second, then what will happen, guys? Delete. First of all, we have to delete this, right? On second, and again, let's suppose we are going to so click on here status schedule. So one dunning notice. If you take the sample printout here, so this time two line item got selected, right? So it means what is happening, guys? 5 days grace period means now the fifth day is still running here, right? Fifth day is still running. But for tomorrow, in case of tomorrow date, what is happening, guys? In case of tomorrow, it is going to be 6, right? So 5 days grace period we have crossed, and that is why it is going to be. So I'll tell you now. Okay, click on backward, and again delete this one. Now what I'll do, I'll run in a previous state. Okay, let's suppose this 17, right? So on which date it was posted, guys? So posting date. Okay. Now here 17 days in a year. 15th, 10th, right? 15th, 10th means if I add 5 days grace period, so 28th, right? So on 22nd, 24th, if I run on 25th, if I run on 25th or is like 22nd also, it is going to be, it is supposed to be 22nd, 10th. Okay. Now, I run this on 22nd. So on 22nd, only one line item is going to be selected, right? But here it is showing 0. Why 0, guys? Check the log. Nothing is happening. 22nd, it was supposed to be selected, right? See, we have posted one invoice on 15th, right? And it become due on 15th itself, isn't it? So 15th and plus 5 days grace period. So on 28th, it is going to be, if we add the grace period, then due date is 28th. So 21st onwards, it is supposed to be included, right? Why it is not included, guys? Can anybody provide me any logic here? Okay, I'll do one thing. Make it 25th. First of all, before that, delete always this. The current run, once it is deleted, then only we can. So still complete Dunning run is not, we have not completed this Dunning run. Simply we are making various testing and all. So here what is happening, guys, if I give 25th, 10th, 2021, let me check now. So it means it become, the first line item become due on 15th and 25th I am running, right? So days in arrear is 10 days, right? So here we have already crossed the grace days by a margin of additional 5 days, right? So in that case, it's supposed to be considered by system. Previous was not considered. Let me check. Save it. Status schedule. Okay. One dunning notice got generated. Why it is on 25th it is appearing, right? Sample printout. On 25th it is appearing, right? But on 24th or 22nd we have run, right? 22nd, 23rd. 22nd means also 7 days, right? So why is 22nd it is not being considered, guys? Anyone is having any idea? 23, 10, 2021. Now if I check on this date, first of all maintain the parameter, right? Now here, press enter. So 23rd also it is getting selected, right? 23rd also it is getting selected. Days in arrear, 8 days, right? Okay. Then schedule here, press enter. 23rd, that we have already deleted, right? Let me run. So here only we are not getting, right? On 22nd it is not. Okay, so now here guys, so 23rd, 24th, right? These all dates are taking. 22nd it is not taking, right? So why it is not taking, guys? Can anybody have any explanations? Think and let me know, guys. 23rd it has taken, right? Delete parameter we have already deleted. Okay. So here now one got generated. Okay. Now I'll just do one thing. I'll make one more experiment. Okay, let me delete this one. And then what I'll do, come here and delete the calendar, holiday calendar, right? And then F150 and make it 22nd here. And then schedule, because details we have already filled up, right? So if you press enter, enter, what is happening? It is not taking, right? No, the calendar you must have to assign, guys, I think. Okay. So generally what happened, calendar you have to assign. Okay. So it's taking here. What is happening, guys? 7 days means what is happening? It is, I think, calculating this holiday, right? Maybe Saturday or Sunday is getting calculated. Okay. Now, so we'll do one thing. On 23rd, if I'm going to run, and today is okay. So what I'll do, schedule, press enter. One got generated, right? So now what is happening, guys? This is not a final run. This cannot be treated as a final run until unless you click on done in printout. Okay. If you click on here print, then look at here, press enter. Okay. How to get the print, guys? So you can click open a new screen, and here SP02, use SP02 here. Okay. So here a spool number is going to be created, spool request, and this is your print, right? You can select here and you can click on print directly. So the printer, whichever printer is associated or attached, from there it is going to be, the printout can be taken. Here you can click on this and you can have a look. So once you run this, like whether you are going to generate soft copy, hard copy, doesn't matter, but the print must be, you must have to what to say, go for a print run. then only system is going to consider this one as a final run, or else system will not consider this as a final run. So now if you have a look for this 5000, double click, look at here, one reminder already generated, and on which date it is run, running reminder has been last reminder on 23rd, right? So if I say that 10 days, right, if I say it's like after 10 days it is going to be, so let's suppose 23rd and plus 10 days, it is going to be how much? So on 3rd, if we are going to run on 3rd, right, then this is eligible for second reminder, right? Are you guys able to understand? It's pretty simple calculation, guys. Now, so for this one reminder, for this one 0, for this one 0, because on 23rd these items will be not due, right? Now if I am going to run this dunning program on which date, guys? On, say for example, okay, so let me run on first of all, first, right? Okay, schedule here. So again, now on first, why there is no line item got selected, guys? Someone just tell me. Say something. Any idea? Okay. So guys, because there is only one line item on first also, what is happening, guys? On first also, here if you have a look, only one line item is eligible. Today also only one line item is eligible. And for this one, first reminder we have already sent, right? And this line item, for this line item, what is happening? We have to send, in the sense system supposed to generate a second reminder, right? So second reminder, this line item is going to be this line item is going to be eligible for second reminder on which date, guys? So on 23rd at 10 days, right? So after that, system is going to consider this one for second reminder because already we have given running level and days in interval, right? And that too, first reminder is already sent here, so already it is got generated first reminder here. Now if you run, so you just do one thing, 03, and so first of all, on first you delete this one. Now if you run on 03 and 03 11 2021, right, maintain the parameter, just save it and schedule, press enter. So look at here, now two different dunning notices got generated. Okay, sample printout means just display. So this is the first reminder. First reminder for which line item, guys? 2000, right? Document number 161, right? Because on third, right? 2000. So third means this is going to be eligible for the first reminder, guys. Now, what next? The next one is And on third, this is going to be right. On third, this is going to be eligible for second reminder. How, guys? It should be on fourth, right? If we till third, if we add 10 days here, so it should be like fourth, right? Isn't it?
Sir, no, sir, 31 last month.
Yes. So here 31 means it is going to be on 20 on second itself. What is happening, guys? 10 days is going to be calculated, right? So here the in month like 31 days and 30 days. So even that is also going to be considered by system. Now, so if you come back, so look at here, that second reminder, I don't know, I have shown or not. So it is pretty simple, guys. First reminder, this one, penalty and everything is what calculated. And second reminder here, and look at here, the text got changed, right? Text got changed now. And here, the dunning charges also got changed. So if you, so if you click on dunning printout, click on print, press enter, right? So now what is happening, guys? Again, as I have shown you that from this log spool request, right? Now, so if you click on here, refresh, another got generated here, right? First one out of two. And if you click on back button, then second one, sorry. So one out of two, right? This is the first one, right? Okay, second one is there at second page. Here, come down. Now this is the second reminder. Now I'll tell you guys, even you can generate a soft copy also. Pretty simple procedure is there. Okay, this is the program which can be used to generate the soft copy SC38. So SC38. Give this program and here execute. Okay, so spool request number we need. What is the spool request number, guys? So anyone, guys, either this one or this one. Okay, so just copy, Control Y. Let's suppose I'm going to copy this one. Okay, and then execute. So you can select this desktop. Okay, and here like done. Save it. Allow. If you go on desktop, look at here. This is the one. Oh, screen is also getting lighting. My system is also getting hacked. Okay. So this time what is happening, guys? Let it be open. Meanwhile, you can come here. So how SAP is able to remember? Now look at here. So for this one, second reminder got generated, right? And that too on third. So again from here third, what is happening, guys? System is going to add additional 10 days, and then if additional 10 days means, so whatever, like let's suppose next dunning we are going to run, dunning program is going to run on 15th. So 15th means already like so 15th means what? We have already run on third, right? So 15th means what, guys? 12 days more. So of course this is eligible for third reminder, right? If we run on 8th, so already run on 3rd, system is going to add 5 days. It means like 8 minus 3 means how much? 5 days, right? So it is not eligible. Why? Because interval must be of at least 10 days, right? So this is how the calculations are happening, and this is how SAP will be able to understand. Or else thousands of invoices are there. First of all, thousands of customers are there. Against all these customers, several thousand invoices are there. How SAP will be able to remember, right? So when the first, if you see here, the first reminder got generated for this one. So first reminder updated here on 3rd, right? Likewise, it is going to happen. But this one, no reminder got generated till now. So that is why zero reminder is sent, right? One thing. Okay. So third, right? And if we run on 7th or 8th, then what will happen? Meanwhile, what I'll do, then let's suppose post FP 70, and we have make it like FP 75. FP 75. So you give the customer to buy here, and it is going to be posted in the past date. Let's suppose the 5th, 10th, or 25th, guys. I think make it 30th. We have like 500 worth of credit memo, right? It means customer has returned a goods worth of 500, right? What is happening, guys? Here, TM33 does not. GL account 3000 we have not created. Okay, this one, right? Present. Okay. Now we just post it directly. So now what is happening, guys? Okay. So next time what is happening, I'll be running this dunning program on which date, guys? On which date? So I'll be running on, let's suppose, run on. So 7th or 6th, let's suppose 07, and then 07 here parameter you can specify. Just save it and schedule. Okay. So why it is not, guys? On 7th, I'm running on 7th, then what will happen? So is this one supposed to be considered, right? For the first run. For the first reminder, log. So for us, like we have to check what is the document number. Document number is 4000. It means 10605901. Okay. So here, first sheet hero has new dunning level 1, right? This is having dunning level 2. It's okay. Already we have done. So as new dunning level, general data dunning notices, dunning area, and the default is being processed. Dunning frequency is not reached. Okay, for TM33, the last dunning was on third, right? So it's okay now. On third we have run, then what is the problem, right? We don't have any problem. We should not be having any problem, right? Now I'll just do one. So apply a check mark here and save it. And then let me test it. The screen is getting hanged. Once again a schedule. So still nothing is there. And log is saying that if we run on a different date, let me check. So here, so if we run, press enter, still it is not getting generated, right? So now where is the problem, guys? Somewhere the problem is there. But reading the account data read item, this one 6061, it's okay. Dunning level 1, dunning level 1, and this one is having 59 is having dunning level 3, it's okay. So 5962. Credit memo has a new dunning level 3. Why dunning level 3? This dunning notices. Okay, now one is being processed. Okay, guys, now here, no, it's must be. This is eligible for on third. So we are running second reminder is generated on third, right? So plus 10 days. No, it's like being hodgepodge guys here, right? I'll have to check it, guys. I'll have to check it why it is not coming. Somewhere some issues are there, right? If I run on 10th 11 2022 31A TM33A. Now, so it is not getting calculated, guys, that I have to check it. What is the issue? Where is the problem? Somewhere something will be there that I have to check it, right? Okay, there is a logic behind this check mark that I'll explain in next session. Okay. So because see, I'll tell you here, there is a logic behind this check mark. And if you talk about the reminder letter, right? Whatever reminder letters, okay, look at here, the letter got generated here, PDF, that can be attached and can be sent. Now, okay, the screen is getting hanged. Screen is getting hanged, right? Somewhere something is there. So now in configurations, I'll come back. In configurations, like whatever this checkbox I have applied, right? So that is for negative transaction posting. I'll show you in next session, guys, practically, right? Because generally what happened, let's suppose we are having an invoice, like overall invoice worth of 10,000, right? At the same time, if the customer has already returned a goods worth of 2,000, then how can we send a reminder for 10,000, right? You have to send a reminder for 8,000 only. So how SAP will come to know it's actual 8,000 only? So if SAP is going to include the credit memo, right? Then only. Now customer has already made a down payment of 3,000 rupees earlier, right? So 10,000 worth of invoice we have sent. Customer has returned a goods worth of 2,000 rupees, so only 8,000 is the outstanding. Out of which 3,000 customer has already paid earlier itself. So you have to send a reminder for 5,000 only, right? So how it is going to be mapped? Pretty simple. I'll let you know, and then I'll talk about certain things. Okay, so I'll stop the session here itself.
And sir, after that, I don't know how to finish the entry, sir.
Very simple here, I'll tell you. I'll just now I'm recording also.
Yes, transfer of payment, sir.
So the first one, right?
Yes, sir.
First one here.
Old one. Yes, sir.
See, FBL1 means you are in, like,
Yes.
you have posted the invoice, right?
Yes, sir.
So after that payment, we have to post. That's it. Here,
Yeah, sir.
FPL1N.
Yes, sir.
And vendor is W077 is the company code.
Yes, sir.
So let's suppose here we are having like, let's suppose, wait. All item, click on all item.
Okay, sir.
Only these two are the open item, guys. There. These two are the
Yes,
open
sir.
item. So which vendor? 2000040, right?
Yes, sir.
So then you can go to address 53.
Okay, sir.
You have to post the payment. That's it. You have to give this.
Yes.
And then account will be like your bank account. Amount will be
Yes.
take any amount, guys.
Yes.
Okay, 1000. So here 1000. And then what is your vendor account that you have to see? So vendor account is this one.
Yes, sir.
000020000040. If you press enter, so number in 16 is missing. It means in KZ document type OBA7 KZ document type was there, so you have to click on project. And here make it 01 because you have created 01 number in. And press
Yes,
enter.
sir.
And then once again, if I come back and I will do one thing once again. F-53. You just be on mute because lots of noise is coming from your side. Okay, now here. So if you want to look at here, the cash discount is also getting calculated. If you want to remove, then you can remove also noises. And then press enter. Okay. The two invoices are there. Out of it, only one invoice worth of 1000 rupees I have to make payment. So deselect anyone. I'm going to double click on this line item. Look at here 1000 and 1000. And you can simulate either here also you can click. Then look at here. Now you can post it. So one I have posted, next one you have to post it in the same way. One I have posted for this vendor, the next one is you have to post. Okay, lots of noise is coming. I'm just stopping the recording.